ya wasamka ena so ena mumprim mu me na Ghana fo nyina tie ena mu kire me sende atenase ya masebadwa adwumadie no ye nibi ena abamba bi sam se na momo ya sapone se na mu kire mu ahwe ye nibi kura na monim se okopie mu asantiment mo tetrene de man pepe manyoko no chairman wontumi Bernard Entwibo Siako tesemeka se no national security fo ache ne senti omuntumi international omo MPP manyoko ne boy tetrene de ma wo asantiment mu na afia senti no mo mpene so kura na Ghana for Bakaya Chama wuntumi Economic and Organized Crime Office ye twani te aka ne se we company for ekoche no ana no brother twamai ekotoni ma boseme no ne da na taso aduonu ensom ena ne nyina ne se okopie mu Criminal Investigation Department ye twani tia eka ne se CID amprefo bi se bisa ne nsem ekiremu a sika bi afa ne sase pam na lawyer ma chama wuntumi Andy Apia Kubi one central for Kasai no to mani so intensa mpenifo de mo chama wontumi nyane se mu kiremu a watena se Agyei Sikapa yo magana sika agira kwa wamanyi mu a emodu pani senti mpenifo frɛ no bisa ne nsɛm bi na no ena nkrabeto dwa kiremu se chama wontumi wanom aman bill 50 million Ghana cedis as sika no with two surelities enya sim ko mu kiremu so mfa japade a ne bo no ebetimi asom 50 million Ghana cedis na afenso two surelities on fanka hona no ena chama wontuma mu kiremu a sa chese be no chance da no so no two surelities ne 50 million Ghana cedis na japade no wanya mfanko ne senti endrada oda hono ma wantumi ampie ama bontimpo mo behuna busane no na damkoma ne kiremu se ne ye nchede obi yada adentina chama wontumi beda afia senti mo mpene empene chene ne emra mo maden esoro fi parliament amukopie mo lokofo mpanifo akache no wanda onyum to sei ena kwene nkwata nyima hodo mpia manyo kompanifo no eto ye ni bi and our stories is so precious we follow and my forevermore and our stories is so precious we follow and my forevermore and our nation great and strong go to defend forever the cause of freedom and of rights. Your heart will through humility we can cherish fearless honesty and our stories is so precious we call our and forevermore. Enti damukuma ni kiremu se Davida ombakwaso atai chama wuntumi eche ne parliament omontena ho ne anase kina ni yenkwati ensema hodo a Alexander Fenyo Markin no ene ye damukuma masebe oye omba no dini emra wo firi masebe joma pie no ode nsemi sei etudwa Enwachi ena damukwana banu dini onu kwansa na kopie mu wafuto ya mmashi betwane ne den edodumnyamfo Alexander Afenyo Markin eme no mkopie mu ewrekofo atena yakasie mu nkrabo premantem no ne sentrefo kasa ne wochire mu sem ekwanya mpanimfo ede chama wontumi fa so ne yemenim ne kureni etietie ne fa ahudie so no manga na kamika memwo no egunanim ase firi se chama wontumi onwane nko baabia na wo hwe bera mo de ama na 50 million Ghana cedis ehwa japade no esondodo eba ne sana sabe omane yakwande senti sana mo ntu national security photo no mo nya adwen ne ene mo nya adwen etena ode nsem sei etudwa
the man is sick in their custody And we believe that he will not run away. If you say he should bring properties, landed properties worth 50 million cedis. When the man is a public figure and he walked to your premises, that you fear he will run away, where would Wontumi run to? So all we're saying is that they should vary the bail condition. Let the man seek medical treatment, and that's all. We only want audience, and we raise it in Parliament, and that is what we want to raise with him, very peacefully. Yes, we are making that arrangement through you, because from Parliament, we came here. So far, nobody has made himself available. Yes, that's what I'm talking to. Thank you very much.
Enwachi eno diminyamfo Alexander Afenyo Marken kase mu no wasan akire mi sabi ade a opese unyonko yama wo no yesa fama no afenso sa wo we ofo nsa na wahwe wonsa efirisem anamontu a endi semanyoko etu etatai MPP amanyoko no ma no nyame anim ne kureni abato de animo nyankopon ya adoma emfempem mienu ne edodun wotwe Ghana fo nyina beko esime no akoto aba na saba na sekoba se mbifo nya tumi na mode ya mu bia mbepena ne sentis ana motu amutuo no omohwe ne yepa na ho sunsanso da achi biada ebeka NDC amanyoko no ema wo mayim.
In a Rambo style, he's arrested. You interrogate him, he makes himself available. Your next thing is that go and bring title property worth 50 million. What kind of country are we in? Have they looked at the constitution? They should vary the bail term. The man is unwell. He's in their custody. They know. So they should vary. Wontumi will not run anywhere. And I'm telling our friends in the NDC, 4 years will soon come. And if they think what they are doing is right, they should watch it. They should watch it. Treat others the way you expect them to do unto you.
Are you?
Treat others the way you expect them to treat you.
Are you?
So if you keep Wontumi, is he using bail to punish him? We are here, we are protesting. We are here protesting. We expect him to do the right thing. What has Wontumi done? Huh? Why then? If you come out in a buy, or buy and when Janio, or police headquarters. Bonnie be almost a wire. Mudi eche, Makochina be yoko avemuson kofa a Japadie worth 50 million cedis of title document in Bransa. Obiba no so the document mo say ye ko hwehwe mansa. Nipa na say okononi ho unnecessary frustration. What kind of country are we in? No, they should use their time to govern, not to oppress opponents. That's all I want to say.
Ani awoti ye domkomba se bedwam wonom anu banu dine onumnyamfo Alexander Afenyo Marken nene ena woti ye
Yantoa Kasiabone so na Ashanti North Regional Police Command achi eyo re bia ye friend Seidu na yade akronobo bia ekọ so ewo fen so eye abofo na yade a oka hu bi na omoche no eye memenda kotoni mabosom ne de to so aduonunum ewo mfimpimienu ne aduonunum a chese na police intelligence any tactical ye teams for obomodin aye operation bia na o mani da so ye papa na hwehwemu ne kiremu se yade a na akronobo no edefa eye gold any sikapudo bia omuntimi embodin na Seidu de sese owa police fo akacha omobomode ahese nhwehwemu ebetimi akoso na ye mpanifo a ho kiremu omugidi pa se eye cases ahodo omanya nina every month amfoforo so no eyade a Seidu yi oka hu bi sanso na police fo oboa sane ebe ya nipa na oka Seidu hu omokobo sa akrono no ombetimi achi omno mama mrane so no aye ejuma ewo omso when na ya Ashanti North Regional Command ede tutememfo ni na anim se ombeba modin ahwe se ya hobanbo ho nsam ebekoso ewo ye omanyi musa so anomu se bibi ekoso wo honom na enye ombetimi aye ya police fo asutire se na ebe yo ombetimi achi nipa no mo de na famra kwan so entina honom ehwe se oye ebia na mekoka na obe primity kacha police fo se na ebe yo omoso no ombetimi abomodin aso omanyi na hobanbo ho nsam ebetimi akoso
Yantu Akasiabon se enkopiemo ewo finfi maten me hono monso ehohuru pam na nkra frɛ futu winiba ennimpatem ebam Ghana fo baka na nsa na beto dwa se Ghana mampanin ehya se ne wo opaw ene emansin kracha ahodo nyina se be beboa na mpuntudwuma etimi akoso omanyim nanso odi ka kopiemu wa futu a odi kan apaw onimnyamfo Abraham Henry Atta sanko ono anonkwankwa giremu enkwankwaye MCE emfama adehia wanom ewa futu nanso mram asem members ne kwatena ase ekokwato no so abara mududu tia no omanto ama no endine hu behia sei Ghana mampanin ebesesanom na osesa ne pe ena okokwafa Reverend Atta Mensa se ono emeye municipal chief executive emfama adehia wanom ewa futu na asem webeto dwa pe ena nyasem kumom endi semanyokon mu mpanimfo a emu omako hadionum 150 branch executives amowo efutu echiremu asem we yentini penny sem da na hwan mpo ne your friend Reverend Atamensa omo mpini o evizeni pa omo pe ne ba ko pe eya wanum constituency secretary Abraham Henry Atta onu kutuo na omo abo ne ho kapa pe bra bre wanum oto aba asotro ekoso nyina na sum ogini nyina de hye ne ho se ku na Reverend Atamensa datim kaja wensi hoda nanso ene abana dodode aba na sabi obi mesum MP ND semanyo koni sene MCE emfama adehwa mu afutu a na Reverend Atamensa de efi sene mpinifo abo ne den wane mu kire mi sa asem wenu tetuo maso nti omo mpene ne empene chene ne nyasem kuma wini ba ne mpotem won ba moden friends em telefone hyem yo ja kire boko janse ko ena mu kire mi sa Ghana man pene yi enipa mo pe no pe Abraham Henry Atta onu kuto nipa safata seni semanyo ko no obabo be MC na mnwuma busuma de hyene nya bia yenti sene se wantie mo papa we din a ene tumuda Reverend Atamensa de mo de na ye de mo mpene ne empene kina mo jemre ene sentrofo ekasae
ye ju tomorrow ye o sande time ya delete commission na yele ye adwumaden MPP fu yin lokun wolo tete ka wo ya du nala no na yimpa wa agbanizi ye win na mo yimpa ye lokun man oye Abraham oye ya delete commission ya lampo ye pane chodo ye beyin onko fe nkadampo abufe no nkasa ya hu oye ya delete commission ye pede ye bisade na Abraham MC na won pede obedin wane ba na wa ye won ma chese nti kro na mo a Abraham on pede obedi MC it's a futu NDC yelin tay nyimpa wa agbani din ye mbesafu yelin tay o Sunday na mi de Abraham laba na me bebe yan adwuma ye Abraham laba na me zama ho bi akwato no do nti Abraham na ye yim obi ala nti sa wan sana ye yim
na chere say on do ma mu wine branch executive na yawa ya say Abraham Atta na ye hwe no nyampio bia ono na ye ne na abre ono na tumati ya sam ya ha oni na ono ya kache na otumo ya mai se na obe ya oni obi abekasa MPP fu kwampo mu akwampo oni omi na ya fine oni obi ya fine wo wini ba nti ono ani e pe no nti na abre ya say Abraham na ne ya ne ko no Abraham no MC no Abraham no NDC nti ya say ono ani ya hwe no nti president and then region national yesra omu omu nti ya asam omu nti ya ha no mu ya mai winiba intimidation ewa ya paso no vetima so be problem mai so no ani e pe no
pino wo kwema open this year on over to our control it no here madin o imi this year aba efutu NDC over to mpunen o mana na this year no ma open on over control it no here madin it is onu odine pe ba mai this year ya pada NDC asu ya pe efutu over to we peja obi o na no yim efutu na kasa no bibiara ya pada oyim efutu NDC no wo abokwasam no wo nyama na wa aboboy na efutu na den etumpon ona ehwe da wadre ba ne de oya NDC but ya pe pa oya adwumaden na atu obotuma ya bibiara me ya pe pa jijis ka wancha regional minister so ya wura wa bribe nto ya man esi
adeteyi Joy Abraham ona na yanyene bribe wa lata commission woman organizers ye kogu lata commission Joy Abraham no ye benyi no ko no ka ya wo Joy Abraham wo twa na som time wo lu twa Joy Abraham na som na Atamensa owayinfa time yele bribe yele kwa yenyim na Atamensa owayinfa madam message mezema ese drunkatia mezema message ma ese drunkatia ontie nanwa no show me niba
DLFM
eni a wuti ye eye NDC amayokro ni ma wanom eye mpanimfo MPP eye NDC amayokro no emu ewa futu na mu kire mu sem MC Agana man pania pa na aboni din se omonko no nkoto no so aba ne nyame anim nukure ni Reverend Atamensa de omompe wanom epem Henry Abraham Atta onunkuto nipa Ghana man pani pa na wanom bejatumu
Yantua Kasia Bone so na Conference of Heads of Basic School for no ahafo ano not ewa santimantemu ayomo second quadrennial conference no watepa sene beyom beyi mpanifo bi ombetimi ahwe dwumadi ekoso ewa ye Conference of Heads of Basic School wo mfie nan ye da ye nimyi ewo ahafo ano not municipal no na abra omo ne nsemtwofo ekasa wa abra dwumadi no ekoso ana ye Ashanti Regional Secretary edema Conference of Heads of Basic School Mr. Asawi Kingsley to central government for him say adenti ana yi eye JHS mofra no e dey free school feeding program nim esan say ye primary school no eye senior high school sanso na akwa tertiary eye teacher training nurse for na eye security service for ni na eye ade a central government for emo maduani dinti adenti ano mayi JHS for no e dey free modern sem say e dey tuja
yo menu amedasi bebre within the Asari Kingsley a conference of heads of basic schools Ashanti region regional secretary nya mini no krenim wohwe yen basic school na head teacher play very vital role na yen hwe bribeti say school settings no ukọ primary school omonya DLFM school feeding ladable program na program nya no say the best sustaining kola no wo school primary for a benefit we are secondary school funds no a benefit school feeding that is sponsored by the government. Some tertiary institutions which is training college and nursing training be even some of them the security services require feeding but JHS there you try age where it however akola no worry him so obenya be the classes oba JHS no be any hono ma e ha adwen the best raban says a gap na create no abeto no ombo dey so be extend a school feeding no e dey call all basic schools e ka basic schools are KG primary any JHS me JHS no enfremo yefa JHS nso no enka ho na butayenti a school feeding no dey buy no e betumi amano abemo yie e dey amai
Eni ya uti ye Ashanti Regional Secretary at the Conference of Heads of Basic Schools Mr. Asari Kingsley Enwechi ana Municipal Director at the Medication Mrs. Grace Opon Japan de to head teachers for more basic school ni nanim so mama de anomu hu omo say omokaye management at the basic education to mama de asa de kire eni adesua ho nsem betimi akoye ewo honom sanso ana oche ma ye executive for ma ye omo foforo no mama de asom ni directorate for ni be ye adwuma sane be ye mpuntu nsusu no ebetimi aba
I have North Municipal Education Directorate COPS omo conference na ya beshia wa ha na de edi kan no me de aseda bema empanyimfo a edi COPS nanim ewo emwa a omo de boa directorate no ma teaching and learning ekoso say yehwa head teachers managers of education na wokọ grassroots na omo na boa ma adesua ne adekire ekoso internet futu am de bema yenuanom head teachers ne say emomumu omo ho say adwuma no omo ye munkwara omo say omo so ye management members ya omo boa say de be ya teaching and learning ebetumi akoso ewo school biem na de make kire ni executive omo ba ne say emwa o the executive ne dia boa ma directorate ne tumi akoso omo so mfatu ho ache no mo kamum na omo moa ma adesua ne adekire enkoso wo ye directorate
Eni ya uti ye Municipal Director Edima Education Mrs. Grace Opon Japan ne krakra mu anotitine ni omu yi no Mr. Alhassan Abbas shebosa yade oni executive ni na beye adwuma sane beye a eba adesua ne adekira impuntuo ebebem
Medin de Mr. Alhassan Abbas mena yeyi mi sisi ase COPS chairman for ahafano north na ne wo mu ni se chairman dada wo twa mu na Mr. Chi Kofi Daniel waibo adwuma pa na sabre no so na me vice chairperson ema executive no masua bibire free papa no he has been good to the executive and the members and ade bia so a wo try say be implementing no so no ye nyina ye support no ma yetimi ye it is say the edru say member be da anoin omo a beka ho no me pene say omo nyina be ba beka ye ho na me no omo nyina I work it together say the be ya adwuma no e be ye simple ama headmasters a wo ahafano no nyina and the bompa ye ni say obia ani beji adwuma na ye no ho ye das
Eni ya uti ye otitine ni omayi ne foforo Ediama Conference of Heads of Basic School Mr. Alhassan Abbas
Yantu akase yabone so ne yenkwaso anyira mu awa santemental mu na nsem efiri ho bande doso pam na Ghana fo ba kai a ana no me na etwa amen ena ekwamba modern ahwe ahyenkafo omunka mu kwedin da omuso ye Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU for 24 eden kraba bontensem wo hwe Ghana sika sem se de ekosisi ni fango bo akofom Ghana si de anya hode nte no hyenkani biada entumente ahyentiade no so hamugi chemu dunnom na emra sase beto dwa no ene asenkafo ni bia ya sobrache mu kiremi se ne alata momwen de omo aka no mbeka ehyentede dada na no mbejo mo nteso ne enteso sena na asemasi asantiment mu kirem sem eye trotro ka bia afa nipa efri santase ekopiem Kumasi Tech Junction na just a passenger timusam every Santase Aquatic Junction no 6 cities 60 pesos. Na mo kwana ashenkafo no ehya asese na ye gisikana passengers nse debut ye betua 6 cities ye se montesu nti 60 pesos ni ye ntua ndi ntua ne chena ena meti ne se mobo akra sikana ye beje hey ye ntia ase because nyamna motofu o mayen ka no so ene aye ka ye walanse se de ye adwuma nti muntumi kire de enye kra nti mobo akra sikana ye beje ehwa apana passengers ni be ka kire mo se moya akromfo pa moya akromfo ba pa mo boye ejese kro no ehwa pena mate ne daba ne bufu na mo se hwe mo sa na mote mo ka kire se ya kromfo ne kwana ye kɔ no ye nkɔ bio make se makodu ahodwo runabout na mo se ne ahodwo runabout no ye besan ye de mo sa kɔ Santas na chemo hwe ade mo apino mo modern de o mo sa o machi ekosi Santas na passenger phone bi kire mi se aba bone be pa na maye banti mu boy abro sem ne enkwete de ya hodo e kɔ so o hyenim emra na passengers ene drivers no eko e wo 60 pesos e ho
down your station. DLFM. Down your
Master. About driver. There you. Yeah,
DLFM 106.9. But I said, get the fair no so almost you like it fair no so to almost scan so another and to one. So the ya Froka station. Now the bedroom baby na coins no what's how they assign. As our station say like you and your first so
we ayan kama twetwe ekọ so ewo trotro hyenim ewo mla na mwakwa free Santase akwadu ahodwo runabout akakitu abna Madu Tech Junction hyenkan ni se the bidda 60 pesos no mantu asa na mo asa omachi urade me nwa fasefo yi asa besi Santase bio se obi anyi ni sika me nwa fasefo yi de mo tete mi o nya mmia ni mu ni kreni me nwa fasefo yi tete mi krom ha o
na tu di omo koya wasadi o ma be nya ufu o na wo se no
sika na asem wo ya kire no openipo na ye head of the transport department at the Makumase Metropolitan Assembly no na den at the Randy Wilson at the smart to do chire ma omo madiama posi for e bo adwuma den hyenkani obebu so pa se wante offense na mo chewa waso be ye hye afin so ye passenger ni a utikere masa driver no oje boro so a bomodian na faka ne number omodama bia tudwa na fato so na ka kire omo se mo asini momodian kwache driver ne fanto fi se de ekoso no etiamra.
That is what the mayor communicated to us, that the police will be out today, starting today, to ensure that every driver is able to reduce the fare that they charge now by the agreed 15% with the Ministry of Transport. There's a phone number that we give out, and there are a lot of people who are calling to complain about they being charged beyond what has been agreed. And we are compiling all this and make it available to the police MTTD, and we are hoping that within the next 2-3 days, all these drivers will be fished out and then the appropriate punishment meted out to them. Please compile, just take your phone, take the vehicle number, give us the route you are working on, and then add the fare that you are charged, and send it to the numbers, and then appropriate actions will be taken against these recalcitrant drivers.
Ani a wote kopie mu Asante Mantemu a ono no ye head at the Transport Department eno no ehye Kumase Metropolitan Assembly no ano ase na den Eddie Randy Wilson ne na wote yi na yenyina we so enkenka madwen che mfama mo we ese odem free for ketechie aswa no so hwe live edi free achim so do ye da se pass ni anyame nhira opim we su free set anto na o kire mi se or the free malam aka breastfeeding which them send your minority for no pombe su asumo ja 1000 years kra na omunsu wate na ya bre wom when su freestyle boy no chem so here live and clear the free half mem airport senior ya dase pa ye gina we su na kase bo ne ya ba wonche ofie honom sofa na min sofa asema da honom no esene chema wontumi change aje mo na mbe boy ne yaka ni nyina ne sem Conference of Heads of Basic Schools. Omo akrabate wa hafu ano north ewa sentiment emu echiremu am. En manimu yada omo ntiase yesem primary school from HSN ye KG ekopim class 6 obere nya duane ne bidi school feeding program no munya duane ne bidi. Ene senior high school nya bidi. Nanso junior high school student no munya binni. Ede na omaye ne senti aban mo no homode na sesabe. Oman si ka obi adi bidi a adenti na junior high school ni de omayi omo afrim ti omo kwan na omo so aduane no omo nibi Ghana ni ase ono omo ya adwen ana ase ne omo nibi wo se ho sen 0534050199 0593406565 junior high school school for ye ne school feeding program nya aduane ni bi nie no wo se ho sen primary 4 dibi omo adi akoduru senior high school omo nyina nya bidi Emma JHS de omunya binni empenifo se mamu kono munyina enkodi bi na Ghana sika wo se ho sen madwo
Sikapa
e wo fa se sa kwade tema committee 11
yo
yentiu
say as I say omunya bidi because the deba
ene kokoba
omunyina ye akrobofo ma
eno no
Entine ezo munya bidi.
Meda sisa kwade ya minchira pi.
Bye.
Meda se majo.
Eja over praising.
Hallelujah Kofi ma ashama on the most the champion me ntiu.
Ofa me sa de me kama femu o.
Wanya bia ni da on.
Oh David.
Oh na o wanya de.
Class 4 to class 6. Who do JHS we JHS wapon. Wa beto ediane. Ana oba usa ko wia onko prime e ko DVD dia so ma wa so verse e the prime e venya bie di night e venya bie dia why say date so mo ma e vindi oni nga venya ejuma
me da se pa Kofi ma me wo fa se madwo
ama me eja good evening
me je so pa wodi ne ba bia kasa free
but me di Alice me kasa lolowa
sister Alice ye mo mu bi ni ana se o mu yenyi wo mu firim sa
but ye mo me bi di wa
sao
mpacho mibisa samba mpacho Roma Fadani gasa kanti omuri ya etumo kacho
omo wo hopa wo beto omo kan wai Beda si bebre wo si obetimi abo ede awura mu 0534050199 0593406565 me wo fa say
hello
wodi na bia ka safre
so me kan safre asam
mi pacho wodi me pacho ma o kasa fide ni nkɔ form anasa obetwe ho afiri ho kakra ma me all right akra hello majo wentimi enyina so obetimi abo awura mu 0534050199 and 0593406565 hello majo
ayeja
senior udi na bia kasa free
your friend Patrick, me say the Tesco fast food is am kofisa.
Better, senior me yentio.
Asomwe de me kwa na sana me dwen ho pa. Say primary school onyebi. DHS re I ka government school na sana me dwen sa no after. Anytime they go PTA meeting.
Obe raise.
Say me charge yes food agency.
Yes, oh.
Government people.
Matemeda CP. Hello, Majo.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. What fasi be ni?
But your comfort, I am my great US.
Konne, mami tiewe. Omu ni bia na say yenya omu sa na omu so ntrom baby.
Yeah, mo bindi so mo di asase na eba ne se na omu kodu enim. Yes, mo.
Nje enye won.
Enye kwa ye mo omu so ndi.
Oh, okay. Matemeda CP. Me fa me last call na ya so if it's a time no enye urama ne sa. Majo. Hello, good evening. When Timmy enyina so, Majo. Senior, we didn't maybe a casafre.
But you can say you do a serve Mauli.
Senior, my you. Uncle Lano, my JHS for the Biana said that.
Oh, JHS for the Mundi because time at no school. If you plan me a day, you do JHS no. I'm going to tell my India, Quadjecra, night and them.
Oh, Kafra. Kafra, what? As a man, Yadia, crowd in the primary, do JHS no mamma. Oh, my Yadia, crowd. Ah, I don't know if I see for a man, Yadi. Maybe I see
a man, Yadi.
Oh, man, Yadi, and dear friend, I could back on when I'm ready to be what? Ya means now be Sika. Oh, Munibiana say now, Mosa. Sir.
Now they think Natasha for the SHS for Crampany for the JHS for.
And your own. Na, I say more, but there's so Mudibi. One a gun and I got some money at the charity city. And no more be a divided drum once. Was a Munibi say.
Why jumping from primary SHS?
Ah, Crow, Nagasa, what you know why I want to ask you. So be a to me and your beardy. From primary, come away, DB. What jump? Aqua senior high. Me one for Zoya, Mode, a 2 in our classroom, a cocoa tree. And I, yes, I'm one. I'm a cripple too.
Hunters,
I'm a 2 in a food, you know, DB. Now, me, one for I think it to a JHS, most more my homo. Ghana man penny, rest at 10 day, Mr. Faco. And I come and can you? No. I'm for rest at 10 and call David Penocra. My father's phone could be. What I say, I just am more cram. Casaboni Abudu come ya dear, see Musa Buffoni amaze, maybe entering a sermon at the Emma Yain. DJ or Marion de Copium Facebook, no so senior technician duty no. Eya DJ Zigby, I can come for your single number so mono. A dear Majeswa, a tack with Jokrum, trouble with the Shikon Chrome. In Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B. Mahute den any a hunsu mpeni. Mene mo fa seba.
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Ya kwen hwan na eba.
Apakan GH.
O de oba be den.
Agropama sonsem.
Enra Ghana for match no hwe bi.
Mi hwe bi o.
Ekosi sen.
Sen Nigeria for na boye mienu ntino.
Sa. Enti eya nimu gwasia on.
Oh, anya wanwa. Sen ya na enim dada.
Semfa. All right. Ya de masi, ya ba mu nyina mo anitia adehye.
Apakan GH ansa sasiraku ososoro bonja wunsuro obenteng ne yairi yotetetu. Apakan GH okumafo obuafo okwankwasu esu twa okwan opehene ne hina opehene ne wo Apakan GH. Apakan GH etifi epwei enefoni atoi baby atemdin wodene na ewom enti yinsam ne gu ho mako Apakan GH ansa sasiraku ososoro bonja wunsuro obenteng ne yairi yotetetu. Apakan GH okumafo obuafo okwankwasu esu twa okwan opehene ne hina opehene ne wo Apakan GH. Apakan GH etifi epwei enefoni atoi baby atemdin wodene na ewom enti yinsam ne gu ho mako
DL Power Sports emuade ejawo dadel
popeno de na yankupo atoro se ebe ho no ene ebe ho enti yeda yankupo ase ansana mistakes na ba in our players side na omutumi equalize no inshallah bro ni se mintumo me ase obehwe na wasiye no mabi
the other direction of Kife's here
direction me ye na ediko ediko win na ba kofa obi aba na ma high diamond na mitianika kind of you are journalism. Some of you don't I think you are doing like you don't go to school. Direction me I'm taking Confessor to a good direction. We thank God we didn't lose in our home today. 4 matches, 1 point. Alhamdulillah. You are taking yourself for bad direction, action, bad caution.
DL Power Sports emuade ejawo dadel.
Yao dagbe wotro ya melegbedra no vinyo fogboto fio gama domino yin sports ye metwogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update mede kukuno wotro ya la yo madana grona mada na mesia micropromoto fio no chome radio adere DL 106.9 sports air dimila ye me no metwogbono tamede kukuno radio a engba delegia naneno gia anyami ganyo bi tuobole bonuno ko ye Facebook ke YouTube akene minga bo efian no yo Bekene ubeshe watashekun wake sports niba egbeji DL Power Sports update mekpabo fai bekene ni ochemoku ni mukwake moku ni mofiamoke radio afo DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platform. Thursday evening, we are back on your radio. We are bringing you DL Power Sports update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports update is airborne live. Ebusia, maminyana we sona obu ahobrase eni ni die kwan so baby bia wo na nwumre mema wa dron ema wa kwaba embe piem won kram pumpuri mantem ane Ghana jatum kasafidie kase ba kopeso DL ohani nsia echiripo enkron yawada enwumre emre wie dusa gudie momrante yesin kunya na gudie mo nsema wodo a yakwakope ede akoma semufo wagibra trans wewu so asone so krojin intebeni nyina we yefim ne aka de osiem odu otiefo editie sa wote ohwefo edi hwe sa ohwe ne yen okafo nso no edi kase ye kan ene yatena se yereba besomo yatoridin DL Power Sports update. Eya gudie mo nsema edi adanadane ebu mfumpa ne adencheche ewo Ghana bibrem ene broni cross wa manone ene ya boabo na ye de babeso nti abusia babi bia wo na anwumre jijidem na tami kuchu ya tase nsema na bone bede ye be sane mu ede agufam ede amao na abusia etena sese dia na won se eye adwumakuo bia daroma ene ye de nsema no ba nti na anwumre kameo ne yemfa sida kese asida chenchirenche no emfa ma adwumakuo ye from Lumba ensupa na Lumba ensupa ye nsu abadwama nso a emu ode emute kama na enije samane se ye wone bottle ene ye wone sachet nti ne awpe bia no ubenya Food and Drugs Authority edi afam fidiem aye nhwehwem agiatum se ne obepiem Ghana na opensu eso bia no dia eye Lumba ensupa nti babi bia wa na nwumre utie me no Lumba ensupa no na efiefie mo momfa ngumu fridges mo na monom enu achi nso no nkola ne kosku bottle no momfa nhye mo bag mo no momfa nko dwumadie bia odi bia no fa Lumba ensupa no fa so mo ahoho ena mo amotunton nso no Lumba ensupa no ena ebusua mesre mo monton na yatoa peti babia wo bia no obenya bi ato enti dansoma ne mpatam wo madam abanyamecha akache ewo Apietus Lane oben Lumba Sport no obenya bi ato na akache 0557 349 40 friend number we are on sabeka madam abanyameche ena ofanko ne mpatam mama Vic akache ewo Sport M Washing Bay 0500 680-783 Lumba ensupano pebiato a oba DLFM ya kachi ewonkan Agbogba Junction yani Wisconsin International University no NID animhwe bora yan reception o oba betu obi woni ni nkomo se ope Lumba ensupani biato both bottle any sachet no obeli di unu wanya biato bebi bia wa na nwumre utie me no se ope Lumba ensupani bi ato ope se we distributor ope biato edi udwuma ana ope se udi nkomo bia fa Lumba ensupan wa friend number see 0355 0 no about 5 miensa 274757 ana 0577 475343 Lumba ensupada romana numere ya tena siere agudie monsema ya tuni din DL Power Sports update ya de ebesomo asida kese nkoma miaminu ya kwame afum bebi owo na numere bia no okan ya de ensem no eba wo fidua mu ano DJ Omarion ede me ato Facebook and YouTube enti obora wa ebusia obenya dwumadi ni bi no wahwe mi ameti akonya kese mo eba be pro ensem no de agufam ede asomo na numere no edi amege so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan the Blessed King ebusia yentie wemfam bie kwam yeba yebesi famne ya tuja ede nsam no asomo na nwumre
Apakan wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
Ebusia yanka jangumuna yamfa ensamno emfa ensomo enanwumre na ehu ne ekọ ene ne ba na yendi nkomo bebre na emfama wa enye asam keto akresa nsensem pi na wa a yetumi ede abasomo na yentiewe na yebeba sesia na yetumi ede nsem no ede egufam ede ama
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
wo yenshan semana se emfa emaudia ebusuan yenhyase emfa mfi Ghana mnantia esiakan ewo amanone ne huni ekọ enenia eba enso wo na uremu a boboku a yefen Leicester City akache eho ena abrantia yefen Abdo Isaaku Fatao etumi esina kan ewo na Abdo Isaaku Fatao eye player bia obekaya onya anterior cruciate ligament injury na abrantia ni nyasa eprawe no for some time now ontumi nsia kan emfama boboku a yefen Leicester City na season e kra no edu baby ekwawie ma no wentumi ammo amfama boboku a yefen Leicester City na ebusuan abrantia yefen Abdul Isaaku Fatao wedi enkomo echiremu a o se Leicester City fans no won komo bi edemamo enkomo wo edemamo ene se nyame encha de ne recovery no ogusun kakran oye na recovery na oye no nde no bibia ededa na akwema doctors oni omadi nkomo physios awodo oni omadi nkomo bibia so omode ne fam no omode na afema kakran bibia etoto na akwemo na enchen kosi se pre-season no be chase e de amabobo ko efen Leicester City no ono abrantia ye fen Abdul Isaaku Fatao no o hwenim se ene no obetumi abo pre-season bi na odi aboabo no e de amabobo ko a ye fen Leicester City na Abdul Isaaku Fatao so o hwenim se ene no season no babekum no enyama betumi akoye di ama no se ne be ya Leicester City boboko no e betumi afa ne ntoma pa e di efra we ni nsema abrantia ye fen Abdul Isaaku Fatao ede atuma yetumi ede ama yempe ene no na yemfa ema osisi. Okay, infidie na yedi ye adwumanti ye try na yenya branch ye friend Abdul Isaaku Fatao yetumi enya ne voice no ede ama nsema odi tudwa echirima ohwe se ende no betumi agina ne nanso na waye pre-season ede ama boboku a ye friend Leicester City sana be ya season e chase a bibia bekoyi Abdul Isaaku Fatao voice ni ye ntie no.
Hi Leicester City fans. Just finished my last session of the season, and I've been working so hard. Rehab have been so good with the people, the physios, the management, the players. Everyone have been so supportive to me, and by God's grace, I'll be ready before the pre-season, and I can't wait to get started again, to be back on the field, running again, fighting for the badge as always, and I can't wait to see the fans again. It's been a while.
Abdul Isaaku Fatao body ma Leicester City no wakasa se nyame ncha de se de bibia de dana kwemu enche bia no obesi agopramane so no wasi akan e de amabobo kwa fen Leicester City na pre-season no oni omo enebeko still ewo Ghana mrantie si akan wa manone ensense munum uram e obone mota kachi abrantie a ye fen Antoine Semenyo e ho no obone ball na this season na ne money no e wo so yepa or reach double figure of goals e de mabobo kwa ye fen Bonemot na ni teammate Dean Hudson ene ofi Bonemot na wakwa kopiem ewo Real Madrid akache na Bonemot player of the season no eko edema Dean Hudson na Dean Hudson echema osi Antoine Semenyo ne mbiri bi atwam no na enkrofo obu na bomfia na mo nsesia de obu ese enkrofo de mano no omo de mano esanse ne money no ewo suru yepa na nea oye no obia ehu enti Antoine Semenyo na enye ne nwanwa se ene no obia de obu de mano na osi Antoine Semenyo no oye player eba ne ball bomu a otumi ye bibia yentwe yemfa ball ni mpia yenhye go bibia wo bomu no abrante efen Antoine Semenyo etumi ye.
Genuinely, I think he's getting more respect now, but probably in the past probably been underrated. You know?
I agree.
I think as a player, like, he can do everything. You know what I mean? Like, he's fast, he's physical, he's left foot, right foot. literally doesn't matter for him. He can dribble with left, he can dribble with right, he can shoot with right, shoot with left. And I think as a winger, like I think if you're a right back, you're having a tough day against him. 100%. You're having a tough day.
Dean Hudson and AJ Bournemouth player of the season. The scene and so in summer or the atuga the alpha player non in the bobo Antoine Semenyon and yedi asumo na yemrem our Unity Cup na kache our London English approach mema endra and a second semi-final game na etoga na game no kwa na Nigeria alatayao Jollof Derby no omet merini achi Ghana boy come you know ema yetumi atimu baako na game no kwa no and a Black Stars of Ghana coach Otuado Edi nkomo Otuado echirema si game we no eye good esanse Ghana ne Nigeria ye nyina ye fie bibrem nti ye bose ya eboa ema nkabom etumi ba yentem na ohwe Trinidad and Tobago ene oma ye friend Jamaica omu nyina no efi Caribbean ho nti we nyina kire se game na ye bon ede nkabom ba na fenso ohwe chitafo eba na no obi ani age nti no ede nkabom na ba osi game na endra Ghana ne Nigeria boy ne de oh na ye very good game.
At the end we are from African descent and I think it's great to have the opportunity to unite, to have this kind of tournament, to get together. You saw the joy on stands and people. I think London has a great African but also Caribbean community, so it's always good to get together to think sports. It's an element where you can unite people, and I'm happy for us to take part on this tournament, and I think it's really good to build up on it. I'm not happy that we lost, but like I said, in general, it's a good tournament to unite people, to unite nations, and I think the spectators saw a good game today.
Otoado Tuanen Samson or the two just a tournament we know when you're big boys na mambebo Thomas Tepate and Antoine Semenyo Naki Williamson esanse binum pra and a binum so 1 or 2 issues we are almost sorting out na moment September botsman edi animono Ghana our World Cup qualifies yebebo into ohwe anim so betumi anya sam rante ni nyina no ma bebeka team no ebanisa ni team no ebe strong emu be den na mrante ya mano Unity Cup we no na ya kwenya se obetumi dia try mrante ni bia this season no oma bomb omode ewo Europe say akwenya ne ba no to inside from a den and omonso ba ombetumi aye
about the squad because there were some issues with some players, but a lot of injuries at the moment, and surely we are looking forward to September to get really the best possible players available, and so we use this also to give some good talents a chance who did well at the U20 AFCON, but also who did well in the club and who we are observing.
Otuado coach at my Black Stars of Ghana and with me Ateninka Brandon Thomas Asante striker at my Black Stars of Ghana Andra ono no take kaneba ko edema Ghana or see or frustrated say Ghana entumi wini ankobo final na mom no nani age say wetumi ahye ne first goal de ama Ghana na fenso no echitafo eba behwe game no o na bibia de na akwemo ohun say echitafo nani age na eba ne sa omonso players no omo enjoy say echitafo no ani age.
Of course, it was on the whole, it was a bit frustrating. You know how this is the biggest game for us. You know, we always we know we can win against this team. So frustrating on that note, but I'm also happy to make my start in scoring goals for Ghana, which I intend to do for a long time.
And it's a great game, but nothing friendly about it. How was it in front of all these passionate fans?
Oh, it's amazing. It just shows what football's about, what the culture's about, and even though half of the fans are for you, half are against you, the whole atmosphere is amazing, and we want to see more days like this. Hopefully everyone's safe, everyone's happy, and we enjoyed it.
Now Brandon Thomas Asante Tuanen Sam so no ready to ga say na nkohwe anim say Ghana be kwakọ piemo e final na ye ni Jamaica abo esane so no ne papa efi Jamaica nti no person ni Jamaica ebo final na mo amanisa e ma Ghana kobo 3rd and 4th place against Elmaya ye friend Trinidad and Tobago osisa game no ye rem ne yakwakọ wini na ye de nyama e de atutuye.
You've got Trinidad and Tobago in the third place playoff on Saturday. How do you feel going into that game?
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, on a personal note, I'm a little bit frustrated because I'm Jamaican as well, so I would have liked to do that one. But now, in terms of playing against Trinidad, you know, we go out there, same attitude as always, try and win the game, and put things right, which is what we want to do.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Thomas. Thank you.
Brandon Thomas Asante, a striker. Edema Black Stars of Ghana, Oko Piema o England, championship no abone ball. Edema Coventry City, and Waten and Kano. Intinde the final is set. Jamaica and in Nigeria nebebo. Na third and fourth place no. Ghana and Trinidad and Tobago abonini na bekoso nyame adoma memreda a edi enimono na ebekoso ne awie Unity Cup 2025 na yere wonsam ediamao Ghana Premier League no akachi nyame adoma kwasiade match day 33 no etumi ebaso na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetena baba Yara Sports Stadium Kumasi no mo de media man the big game de abani Coach Abdul Karim Zito Echrema osi we no last home game na Kotoko ball of the season and I'm Santino mo person mo supporters no NJ inti sa game no must win for Kotoko kwasiada sene be omo de NJ be show machita for no afunu.
I think the normal win. So if this is supposed to be our last game, we should make them happy before we leave. So nothing but winning deserve to be given to them and nothing else.
Coach Abdul Karim Zito Twanen Samson odi to just a media team no onimomu ye onim quality omukita no omu ye one team omu ye very consistent ewo Ghana enti we nyina kire se omu ye very good team na because of sadi enti no game na ebeba so kwasiara o baba yara no ebe ye fine game ebe sanso aye very very competitive.
I know Mediama, I know the quality they are having, even though the moment doesn't favor them. But I know we have good players, good sense of judgment. And when it comes to consistency, I think Midema also stand tall. They try to keep their players. So when you see them play, you will just enjoy it. If Tasias do that, the match will be very, very fine and then very competitive.
Ne krakra mono ena Coach Abdul Karim Zito Chiroma enchebia okobo FA Cup no okobo final enti game we no or the be prepare no when se ne mrantie no ne tactics ne philosophy ne formation no omu this one are going into the FA Cup final omu kwa kobo enti game na kwesi ada obo no or they prepare the akobo FA Cup final.
This when we went to the FA Cup we won. So I like last matches before competition. I like preparing very well to see how my boys will be faring. Because after the training, you put your eyes together and see whether they are going by your system or by your philosophy.
Coach Abdul Karim Zito and a Waten in Kano na Heart of Folk akacheno. Omone Bobo Kwefe Legon Cities Kwesiada Omobebo Abubakar Wata Echrema Oma prepare very well and omodiko face Legon Cities Nyami Aduma Kwesiada osi game no ebe one of the tough gamer omukwa kobo Nyami Aduma eye Kwesiada enti game no enye bayira abrewadwo okra.
Yeah, very well because it's one of the top game again. It's Lagos City, you know, these people are disturbing all the big teams that we are prepared to go and face them on Sunday seriously. Okay, you know, when you kill what you call the goat is dying, you don't fear the knife again. You see, this is the problem. But don't say is that you see the Accra Lions, the way it is telling us. Donc, we are placed 18 teams, it's normal. 2 hours going.
Abubakar Watara Twanen Samson odi tuga se has team no eye chitafo ne dia na has ekwa agopramane so omo de mrantie mankomako duba akọ na ekwa agopramane so na emomo no supporters na moka ho a eye dumienu nti momra na mo bommo momeni ade da boa team no na omo wini nti kwasiada supporters no besremo momra agopramane so na mombetai team no echi.
You are telling them the club is for them, you can come to support the team, to shouting, criticizing, pushing the boys to get the good results. We have 11 players on the pitch. The number 12 is the supporters. Let us down. We need them every time to come and help the boys to play well.
Ne krakra mo no onim say Heart of Folk omo ma team no aye from Oak Ladies FC omo qualify next season Southern Zone ombebo Emma Premier League ne bi Abubakar Watara chirima obo ma baso obi a can be from board management coaches players supporters obo bi abaso say mo ya de a qualify has ma team no the Aba Women's Premier League no next season.
Take that opportunity to congratulate the Oaks who has come in the Premier for the first time. I think that Oaks, the board, the management, and the operation lady who are making everything possible to break this thing. We thank all of them, the coaches, the players, the fans who were there, and all as of folk people. Because as of folk, we are fans. I say it's not the fans, we are the people. It's the family.
Abubakar Watara ye coach at my Heart of Folk ana watenenka na yenwie ewo fie dia Farouk Ameya udim se ochna eye Division 1 League Zone 1 no playoff no baswa Crash Sports Stadium no miensa eye RTU ene Techman 11 Wonders na edibo ani na Farouk Ameya eye Techman 11 Wonders omu defender ochirema or say omo ye fit omo ye prepared omo nsuro RTU for no na Techman fo nyina ohyamobo say nyame yadom ochna omo qualify e de aba Premier League nti Techman fo no ochna ohyamobo say 11 Wonders ebe qualify e de aba Ghana Premier League no.
Simple my cry because me fit me boys no say fit through Premier player cry oba yeah be show nti strikers now omo kita ne de enyi hukra me dependence ni di obesi okoro bafo na me ankasa Farouk me bo right back through ya prepare ya twen person aka ne bio Techman for omunya to wasema ya the Premier ebebro omo say the Premier komado o match no ebebro omo ti omo ka omo komanto omo yam say the Premier bara Friday omo twen Saturday de ne nyina
Farouk Ameya ye defender de ma Techman 11 Wonders na watenenka Hafiz Adam RTU defender or say omo ye prepared na omo ye ready ochna omo qualify e de aba Ghana Premier League no.
Yes. Looking at things, we have prepared very well at the beginning of the season till now. So I think we are ever ready for the qualification on Friday.
Hafiz Adam defender de ma bobo ko friend RTU na watenenka no yamfa kakra bi nto aso ama no ne yan sorry na Zigibi take over na onfa wo so na emfa mrodia ebusia ndra UEFA Conference League no final no etumi todwa ewo Poland na game no ba na wie no na bobo ko ayefene Chelsea the Blues ache Real Betis abomeka polepole enan ema Real Betis etumi atimu ba kon enti officially me confirm the amount say 2024-2025 season no UEFA Conference League no bobo ko ayefene Chelsea ena etumaje na Chelsea endra Agyei Conference League no ma ya bakwasem Chelsea ababe the first team eneno UEFA competitions omo body ma club side maku enum ni nyina ometumi agye e de esi omna so UEFA Cup Winners Cup omaje UEFA Super Cup omaje UEFA Champions League omaje UEFA Europa League omaje na UEFA Conference League no endra ometumi agye nti Chelsea no oma complete European club football omaje bibia na eno nso ni history a bobo ku ayefene Chelsea etumi aya yede enwonsam ede asomo na UEFA Conference League no ekwo na wie no Abranti FN Isco Alacon Suarez or Real Betis no ono na mpenifo yi no as Europa Air Conference League Player of the Season yet to me edi unkomo ede achro na Chelsea akache no officially omone bobo ku FN Ipswich Town agree for a English 22-year-old striker I friend Liam Delap na Liam Delap to me efi Ipswich na wa bebo ede amabobo ku a ye friend Chelsea sika ameti se pie mu no 30 million pounds and Chelsea ebetua e de amabobo ku a ye friend no Eswe Town no ma fa brantia ye friend Liam Dilap no wa bebo de amoma ye de enwonsam e de amao Arsenal catching so no ni ameti enis Arsenal ashe nkomotwetwe ase ewo RB Leipzig akachi ewo Germany Bundesliga no Arsenal efa Slovenia almost striker a friend Benjamin Sesko na wefi RB Leipzig abebo area mabobo ko friend Arsenal enkomotwetwe na hyase na enyama ekoso Arsenal ni abre se ombefa Benjamin Sesko ni ebe piemu bia no enne di anim no ye de bebro Arsenal Benjamin Sesko ana omunya no emre ene nkrabia ene be kire we no official Italian manager your friend Mas Allegri with me are returning back to AC Milan. Na wobekaya we coach AC Milan paying na wasaba back wabe signing 3 years contract and the amabobuku a your friend AC Milana and the Mas Allegri is back to Bobukwa your friend AC Milana obabe coach yoma yede and won some edema on yamete and it's a amphibian obeji 5 million euros and the aguni botuma yede won some dema niamedi to mesre bo kra no Cristiano Ronaldo Aveiro da Santos Portugal for captain obo edema ana se Portugal no Cristiano Ronaldo nene nji wo ana se essence wo she goals na so trophy omuntumi enje ni ametene se Al-Hilal mo Saudi Arabia wono approaching se Cristiano Ronaldo se ana se funi ntwate odi abebo famaye na so Cristiano se dabi mentumi mbitri ana se fo no na membebo emfama mo Al-Hilal enti Cristiano Ronaldo etumi ebutu sa move no de ato akene baabi a o se onkobo emfama Al-Hilal yede enwonsam enso etumi de ato anim abusia ye nyina we so na agudie mu nsam a yede ba nyina no yamfa ensi na zigi enso emra na ombeto aso na bibia enye kama enso so emfa emamo na sedaka se enkoma kwame afum ota echire ema yede ensam no edi ebaye na DJ Omarion enso edi yenko Facebook and YouTube ema utumi enya nsam ne bi enso ehweye ema bibia kama mi a mebetena mo ede ensam no ebesomo no edi a megeso no ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the Blazer ki mi a mebra penny Mr. Kofi Ayeno o ayensu ano so wate ma minchia one wife Sister Mary ma minchia ono nso so na zigi obra no se your friend Kwaku Jones yes zigi bi bra ya fro Kwaku Jones aka Lion o ye driver ni yes na yesi we biem ku ha ewo kanuma utie wo ne wo passenger for no enti bra Kwaku Jones aka Lion zigibi bra ne wo ya na wase se we biem ewo kanuma wo ne wo passengers ni nyina utie ebusia ye kɔ twedi ampon Nyankopɔn ya dom na ye tinkwam na ye wanhode a ɔkyena ye be saba na ya besom ya kra obibia